Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Mercedes E-Class 2015 model. We done the assessment 2 weeks ago. If you want to see the assessment, this is the link. You can click this link. If you not, I'll add the link in the description also. Well, you can have a look what's going on for the assessment. We found the NOx sensor 1 and 2 problem at the moment. Computer will say, you can see here, NOx sensor 2 faulty and the countdown mileage has. However, we went to the motorway, then we found NOx sensor 1 also playing up, sometimes spike going up and down. If I fix the NOx sensor 2, NOx sensor 1 might be play up sooner. Because of that, I decided to change both NOx sensors. However, this customer doesn't want to go for a original or Mercedes parts. Basically, he bought from online. Basically, I'm going to change online parts, but this supplier quite good for me. Maybe around 10-15 customers bought this part. Look okay to me at the moment, no any complaint. I feeling little bit okay with this supplier rather than spending like a 400-500 pound for the original sensor. This one might be 120-100 pound or sometime 150, depend, but it's reasonable price also. Well, right, okay. And after that, I'm going to start the car and show you what happened here. You can see this side engine light on, and the middle countdown mileage 211 miles. After that, your vehicle will not start. Okay. Also, that time I identify this AdBlue quality not good. This is the AdBlue tank. Normally, other C class, E class, sometimes we have to remove the pump, but this one we can remove from here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to suck the old AdBlue. Yeah, I'm going to suck like that old AdBlue and fill up AdBlue again, flush it and fill up with the good AdBlue. Okay, then once I do these two jobs, I'll come back to you. My colleague going to do the both NOx sensors. Basically, sometimes we need a blowtorch, sometimes combination spanners, flyers, and sometimes we are using these tools. We need a sometime hammer. We don't know how he's going on this one, but he's going to do the both NOx sensors. Once I remove, I'll let you know what he done for the both NOx sensors. And same time, I'm going to start to take out the whole AdBlue and refill with the good quality AdBlue. Right, I already flushed the tank. This is the old AdBlue. Yeah, I'll fill up the new AdBlue. Before I fill up, I'll check with this meter. This is very useful meter. If you want, you can buy and keep it with you. I'll put the link below. And also, this is the new one. Make sure no smell, and make sure it's need to be 32.5. I can say 33. Okay, it's more than 33%. Better to not to use that AdBlue. Right, AdBlue done. Flush, fill up. Okay, and now make sure don't overfill the AdBlue. And also at the moment he is still doing the sensors. Once he done the sensors, I'll come back to you. Front one we did it easily, but back one something not right still. should be it's okay. Right. Try now. If you want, you can touch this one and have a look how is your feeling. I don't want to touch. Right. Start to spinning. It's so tight. I don't want to do all the way undone. What I'm going to do, I'm going to spray. I'm going to leave it a little bit settle down. Then I'm going to spray WD-40 and take backward, forward, and take a time and do the thing, because if some reason mix up the thread inside, I'm going to dig in the problem. So I'm going to leave it, spray WD-40, then slowly take out. Now much feeling better, see? Right, much better. Right, okay. Yeah, after that it's loose now. I'm going to leave it another 5 minutes to until cool down. Then after that I'm going to install new sensor and come back to you. Okay, we change the both sensors. You can see this casing bit damage is not affected to the wires. This is the however sensor 1. Yeah, we replace new sensor. Here also damage. Yeah, this is the sensor 2. Little bit struggle to remove this one, but however we managed to get done. And also flush the tank, everything okay. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the computer. Right, still all light as should be. Engine management and the countdown mileage. Yeah, okay. Then I am going to clear this faulty code and have a look. Is it possible to clear? Clear. Yeah, only these 3 there. Right, okay. Never mind. Go back. Special function. All right. See, reset learn values. Go to this one. Continue. F3. Right. That's a nice sign. Successful. Okay. Right. Then after that, we need to reset meter reading or metering. Successful. Okay. Resetting warning faulty message. This one very important. Switch off. Press OK. Ignition on. Okay. Process completed successfully. Okay. Right. And I'm going to switch off the car and start the car. Have a look at the dashboard. All funny warning light disappeared, aren't you? Right, okay. Now I'm going back to the faulty code memory. You can see no faulty code. Right, okay. Now next step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it running until this temperature get up. Once it get up, I'm going to the motorway journey and have a look how is the sensors working. At the moment I'm going to keep it running the car. Went to the motorway and came back. Yeah, no any funny warning light at the moment dashboard. I'm going to switch off the car and start the car. Yeah, then yeah, that's why I mentioned in the beginning this car need a service. That's right, you saw the service message. Anyway, I'm going back from here. Back. Do you think any faulty code left there? We'll see. Wow, no DTC, right? Another successful job. Now you know if you have a like this vehicle what to do. If you need to see our assessment, I'll add the link in the description. You can check that link and you can find out the video. Also, if someone doing mobile mechanic business or if someone doing recovery vehicle or towing service, there is a website called towmycar.uk. You can join to that website and you can sign up with there and you can get more jobs in there. I will add that link also in a description. Also, if you like to join with us our WhatsApp group, Facebook group, I will add another link in the description. You can join to our groups. Thank you. See you with the next video.